and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere because today I will unbox my latest tripod brought to you by xoxo. Yes, xoxo bought me a new tripod. This is Ulanzi MT-08 extension tripod. So we will find out what inside of this box. So guys, are you excited? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Let's get started guys. This is Ulanzi MT-08 Extendable Handheld Tripod. This is the box. When I open the box, the first thing I see is the Ulanzi mini tripod. So I got a black color. So there's two choices, black and white. You can see the tripod and handle in one. You can change it as what you want. Ulanzi have a 360 ball head here from left to right, back and forward. On the side, you can adjust the ball head of the Ulanzi tripod. It's portable design and the weight is easy to take. You can have it anywhere. See how tiny it is. That's my latest tripod, my Ulanzi MT-08 extension tripod guys. I hope you enjoy watching and you learn something today. Ayan, madami siya. Maganda lang niya, very lang yung details niya. Ayan. Kasi I got a 4 or 5 tripod now kasi ito smaller siya, very tiny talaga siya guys. O tingnan mo, isang lang, 'di ba? Ayan. Isang sandok. Ayan, diba? Tapos, very siya, very light lang talaga siya. You can check Ulanzi website, guys. And siya, proven and tested siya. Madami kayong makikita pang vlogger accessory doon. Pang vlog accessories doon sa Ulanzi website. And you can check them out. Plus, talagang pang ko talaga siya. Remember my Osmo action, ayan, pang Osmo ko talaga to guys. Pwede rin siya sa mobile natin, pwede rin siyang gamitin as long as yung meron kayong buckle buckle pa tawag dyan. Basta ayun, yung connect mo dito sa tripod. Kasi pwede naman siya, hanggang 3 naman siya guys. Nare-range siya hanggang 3 layers extension. So, ayan. Pero ito kasi, pan-tripod ko. Kasi yung sa tripod ko na ay pang-osmo action ko. Yung tripod ko kasi na pang-osmo, ang laki niya. Siguro twice siya netong tripod. Ito, very convenient siya guys ha. Very handy siya. So, ayan na nga guys. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching and you learned something today. And mega love shout out to each one of you who are watching now. Thanks for supporting my videos. Thank you from the bottom of my heart po. Talamus, please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, be safe, take care, and mwah, ciao.